Hey everybody, it's Bruce here with Traveling with Bruce. Got a news alert here. January 22nd, 2019, Carnival has just come up with an announcement. The Carnival Valor heading from Galveston on a 5-day cruise. Lost power at sea today. She left Galveston yesterday, January 21st. Today she has a sea day, and for an hour the ship had no power. They had to get it restored. They did get it redone. It's back up and running, they say. Don't know what the problem was or the extent of the issue, but the ship was without power for about an hour today. She's on her way to Cozumel for tomorrow. Then she'll be in Progresso, Mexico for the 24th of January, and then the next day back to Galveston after a 5-day cruise. It's 110,000 tons, 952 feet long, 116 feet wide, 2,980 passengers, 1,150 crew. Hopefully all will be well. The ship looks good from here. I don't see anything wrong with the cruise ship at all. Anyway, we'll keep on top of it. Join me Monday to Friday, 5 o'clock Eastern, Saturdays at 2 Eastern. We'll stay on top of this story. Subscribe to my channel today, and we'll talk to you next time. Bye for now.